Hey Smarty stars, welcome back to Smarty Kid TV, where you always learn, laugh and explore something new. Today, Max, Luna, and Buddy are doing a super silly snack science experiment. What happens when gummy bears meet warm soda? They expand, they mutate, and today's biggest gummy bear wins the Mad Scientist trophy. Let's begin the snack science challenge.
Hey Smarty friends, welcome to our snack science lab. Today's experiment, gummy bear explosion.
Yes, friends, today's experiment is going to be very funny and learning. Let's see what happens.
And maybe one will grow tall enough to reach my snack shelf.
Okay team, predict the gummy bear size. Let me write on the whiteboard. Small, medium, bigger one.
I'm lab style. Gummy bears slowly expanding and growing in size.
I predict mega huge, so big it becomes my new best friend.
Are you ready, kids? Timing is important. We have to drop them at the same time. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, drop.
Wow, very interesting. They are giggling and swimming, looking like dancing dolls.
They're doing the gummy freestyle. Everyone is trying to grow bigger soon.
Smarty superstars, it is the science time. When gummy bears go into warm soda, the sugar and gelatin absorb the liquid and grow.
Time-lapse style. Gummy bears slowly expanding and growing in size.
Look, Luna, what rapid growing. Mine looks like it ate 10 breakfasts.
Now, kids, it is time to measure the size of grown-up bears. I line up the gummy bears on the table.
Haha. Mine looks like a giant teddy gummy. It looks like he has eaten lunch of all his friends.
Smarty friends, now it is the time to announce the winner of the day, and the winner is our Smarty Buddy.
Buddy's mega huge gummy bear. Like Buddy, his gummy bear has eaten everything he finds.
I'll eyeball it. Buddy style. Yes, I'd like to thank soda gummies and science.
Love Smarty stars. The lesson of the day is, remember kids, always do science experiments with an adult. And never eat the science bears. Yeah, but we can eat the regular ones, right? Thanks for joining Snack Science. Don't forget to like, share, and explore more fun with Smarty Kid TV.